A very warm good morning to all my dear students. How are you? I hope so. You all are fit and fine at your place. So, dear students, today I'm going to start with a fresh and new topic. And today I'm going to introduce with my two new friends. Do you want to meet with my two new friends? So, let's go. So, my dear students, here you can see two pictures. Look at here, two pictures. And whose pictures are these? Yes, these are my two new friends. So, name of my first friend is Catty, and name of my second friend is Patty. And Catty tell us about common noun, and Patty tell us about proper noun. So Catty is going to tell us about common noun. First of all, we should know about what is the exact meaning of common noun. Common nouns are the names given in common to person, animals, places or things. And Patty is going to tell us about proper noun. Patty, tell us about proper noun and what is the meaning of proper noun? Proper noun are the special names of particular persons, places, things or animals. So, Catty and Patty is going to give us a couple of examples, and with the help of examples you can easily understand what is common noun and what is proper noun. So, dear students, as I told you, Catty and Patty tell us about couple of examples and you understand the concept of common noun and proper noun. So, first example, Catty tell us about the first example. So, let's take the first example, that is school. Here we talk about school, and in common noun we are not referred to a particular things. So any school can be. When we talk about proper noun, and Patty tell us about a particular things, so we take our own name of our own school name, that is KLM International School. Clear to everyone? KLM International School. So Patty take an example of KLM International School, talk about the particular school. But in common noun we are not talk about the particular school. Any school can be. So Catty is going to take another example, that is drink. That is drink. So here in common noun we are not referred to a particular things, as I told you, and but in proper noun, when Patty tell us about in proper noun, that refer to a particular thing, specific things. And for example, we take a particular drink, name of the particular drink, that is Pepsi, Pepsi Cola, and you make a sentence on it, I love Pepsi Cola. Got it? And I study in KLM International School means, so here we in proper noun we talk about the particular things, that is I study in KLM International School, I love Pepsi Cola. But in common noun we are not talk about the particular things, specific things, and any school can be, any drink can be. This is the difference between common noun and proper noun. Now the third example, Catty just take a third example, that is doll. Here we are not talk about the particular doll. Any doll can be, and we are not refer to the specific doll. So when we talk about proper noun, Patty tell us about the particular things. Barbie doll, and you can just write here Barbie doll. Got it? So here we refer to a particular things. So this is the difference between Catty and common noun and Patty proper noun. So, dear students, now Katie tell us about another example of common noun, and the next example is mountain. We take another example is mountain. Here we not refer to about a particular mountain. Any mountain can be. So, Patty going to tell us about a particular mountain and take a picture of, just tell us with the help of picture, that is Mount Everest. So we talk about here particular mountain, that is Mount Everest. So this is the difference between common noun and proper noun. Proper, in common noun, any mountain can be, any school can be, any drink can be, any doll can be. But when we talk about the particular things, the school name is, I study in KLM International School, I love Pepsi Cola, I love Barbie dolls, Mount Everest. These are the particular things, name of the particular things as well as specific things. So Katie is going to take another example, that is country. Any country can be, not here, not refer to a particular country. So Patty going to tell us about the particular country, that is the picture of India. Where do you live? I live in India. So it's a picture of India. So here we talk about the particular country, that is India. So Katie is going to take last example, that is teacher. Any teacher can be, not to refer to a particular teacher, but Patty tell us about the particular teacher. I just take my example, and that is what, with the help of picture of mine and Miss Princey. So teacher, here we talk about the particular teacher, that is Miss Princey. So this is a difference between common noun and the proper noun. Common noun, as I told you, is a name given in common to persons, things, animals, places. And what is proper noun? Proper nouns are the special names of particular person, places, things or animals. And I hope so with the help of these examples you can easily understand that common noun, here we are not refer to a particular thing, specific things, like any school can be, any drink can be, doll can be, mountain can be, a country can be, teacher can be. So when we talk about particular things in proper noun, we talk about a particular school, KLM International School, particular cola, Pepsi Cola, particular Barbie doll, particular Mount Everest, particular country, India, and particular teacher, Miss Princey. So this is all about common noun and proper noun. So my dear students, I hope so you just love this video and enjoy this video, and you can also do practice at home. And stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.